Hi everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and today I'm going to share with you how fast these little gingerbread house embellishments came together. I had bought these from the dollar store a little while ago, and I thought it was time to use some of them up. So I grabbed some of my brown espresso paint, and I did end up putting 2 coats on this because I didn't prime it in any way. I only gave 1 coat to the tree, but 2 coats everywhere else. And I made sure I got inside the windows and the door frame and on the outer edges. And then you do want to let it fully dry in between layers of paint there. And I finally got my white jelly roll pen, so I started off with just a design in my head. I didn't know what I was going to do. I just kind of went with it. And I finished off the rest of the design off camera, and here it is. And I think it looks really fun and cute. Now I'm going to grab some snow text and put it on the gingerbread house, and I did end up adding a tree, so I would suggest maybe putting the tree on first, but I did want to put some snow on the background tree in case it peeked through. So and I did end up putting some snow in the windows and on the bottom of the ground, and yeah, these are so cute. I really like how that I was able to finally use some of these. And I got other ideas going for Halloween now, so yeah, these are going to be fun to use up. So I'm just going ahead and putting all the snow text on here. You just got to push it around, and it gets on there eventually. I hope everybody's enjoying these videos. I'm having so much fun creating these small embellishments for scrapbooking, card making, flip books. These are great little embellishments for whatever your project is. And I'm doing so much with wooden shapes too, so I hope you stick around and see the other ideas. I came up with some other wooden shapes. And we're almost done here. And then it'll be time to put up the tree. And you do want to let this dry in between. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but it does take some time to dry. So I grabbed my little Christmas trees that I've bought a while ago from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to stick it on here. And of course I'm going to add some more snow on top of that. It's coming together so good. I think these are so cute and make a great addition to any project. I just love the snow on it. And you can use white acrylic paint too. I want a little bit of dimension, but if you're scrapbooking, you might just want to use white paint just to keep the dimension down. These are so fun and so adorable. And sometimes it's just nice working on the smaller things because it's hard to come up with big projects. So sometimes this gets the good old crafty mojo going. And we're just about done here. And this next, very first gingerbread house I'm going to share with you, I used glitter, so it didn't turn out too well, and it was with the marker, and as you can tell, the snow text just kept bleeding through, so I wouldn't suggest coloring your house or any wooden project in marker. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day, and until the next video, we'll see you then. Bye for now.